Hi guys, this is Marvin from shopsadapage.com, and today we are going to do an unboxing and review of the Tronsmart Encore Hydra wireless headphones. Let's get to it. So this is the Tronsmart Encore Hydra wireless headphones. At the back we have a diagram right here indicating the different parts of the headphones. Inside the box we have a pouch right here. Inside it we have the micro USB cable for charging and some replacement ear tips. We also have inside the box the user manual and the warranty card. Let's take a closer look at the Tronsmart Encore Hydra wireless headphones. It's fairly lightweight and pretty well built. The design is okay, it has a flexible ear hook right here, and most of the parts are made of hard plastic material, which is nice. At the center we have the multi-function button that has the Tronsmart logo, and then on its side we have the volume up and down as well as the built-in microphone. At the back side we'll see the actual ear tip housed with a hard plastic shell. The left side earbud is pretty much the same, except that it doesn't have any controls on it. What we have here instead is the micro USB port for charging, protected by this rubber flap right here. In terms of the length of the wire, it's about 19 inches and the cable is flat, which makes it basically tangle-free. Before we proceed with other details, here are the specifications so you can check it out. Now, pairing this with your device is very simple. Just push the multi-function button for 2 seconds and it will turn on and will automatically go to pairing mode. Now, all you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth on your device, pair it, and you're good to go. While playing music, you can control your playback directly from the right side earbud. So if you want to pause the music, just press once, and if you want to continue, just press it again once. You can also control the volume right here, and if you want to skip track, just press the volume up for about 2 seconds. And there you go. Now, to answer a call, just simply press the multi-function button once, and to end the call, just press it again. Rejecting a call requires pushing the volume down button for 2 seconds, and redialing requires pushing the multi-function button twice. During a call, you can also push the volume down for 2 seconds to mute the microphone, and then push it again for 2 seconds to unmute it. Now, these headphones are actually IPX7 Water Resistant, which means it's protected against water immersion of up to 1 meter, providing that you securely close the rubber flap on the micro USB port. And since this is geared toward people who likes working out, the water resistant feature is very crucial to protect it from sweat. When it comes to charging the Tronsmart Hydra, you can pretty much use any type of charger that is compatible with a micro USB cable, be it a wall adapter or in this case, a power bank. As per my testing, I was able to fully charge these headphones for just around 1.5 hours using the Tronsmart PB212 power bank. As per specifications, playback time should be up to 12 hours, but as per my testing, I was able to listen to music continuously for only about 8 hours at 65% volume. I tested it twice with pretty much the same results. Although it didn't last for 12 hours, 8 hours for me is still very impressive. Currently, the longest lasting wireless headphones that I have for a single charge. In terms of sound quality, however, nothing really stands out to me. It's decent, it's well balanced, the bass is adequate, but I feel like it could be better. Mind you, it's still better compared to most wireless headphones that I've tried before. Overall, the sound quality is quite decent, and for most users, this will suffice for any workout sessions. In conclusion, what I like about this is the outstanding battery life. Although not at par with the specs, 8 hours is still pretty solid. The build quality is also very good, from the tangle-free cable, flexible ear hook up to the hard plastic shell of the earbud itself. But I feel like the form factor is a little bit on the larger side. Not to mention it's a little bit finicky to place inside and around your ears. Other than that, the sound quality is very acceptable, and at the end of the day, it does the job done. And there you have it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full article link on the description below. Thanks to Tronsmart for sending this in. You can get this from their official store on Lazada, link on the description below as well. Subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Thank you, have a great day.